Hi, let's see one of the gate question which was asked in the year 2004. Here they have given few lines of code in the form of one function called f, and they're asking us to what is the value returned by f of 1 is. Means they have defined one function here and they are going to pass a value like number 1, and they're expecting what this function is going to return, right? So right, so this is a common question, right? When you are going to call the function with a value 1, so n value is 1, that means temporary memory location is created with a name n and its value 1, and inside the function one static variable is declared with a variable name as I and its value as 1, right? I hope you know the difference between the static variable and the local variable. Static variable won't be destroyed how many times you are going to call it, but whereas local variable is going to be destroyed once it's exit from the function, right? Is n greater than 5? No. So n value incremented by n plus, that is 1 plus 1 2, and I value incremented by 1, right? And then that is going to be done like it is going to return f of n. What is f of n? It is going to return f of 2, mean n value is 2, right? Meaning that if it wants to complete f of 1, it has to first do f of 2. It has to do f of 2. So f of 2 has to be completed. So f of 2 means the local variable is n value is 2, local variable created, and static variable won't be modified. Guys, here I plus plus means I should be incremented by 1 plus 1, that is 2. Okay, f of 2, and then static variable won't be modified. Is n greater than 2? No. N equal to n plus I, that is 4. 2 plus 2 is 4, and I will increment it by once again 1, that is 3. Okay, and then it is going to return f of n, that means f of 4. Means once it done, then only f of 2, then only f of 1 done. Okay, now the n value is 4 once again, and I value is 3 as usual because it is static variable. And is n greater than or equal to 5? No. So n equal to n plus I, that means 4 plus 3 is 7, and I value incremented by 1, that is 4, and then it is going to return f of n value is 7, n value is 7, right? So when it is going to call the function with the value 7, so the local variable n is created and 7 variable, and static variable won't be modified, that is 4 itself. So is 7 greater than or equal to 5? Yes. Then it is going to simply return the value of n, the value of n, meaning that this function this function will return 7 to here, this function will return 7 to here, this function will return 7 to here, and this function is what is returned, that is what we asked. So our answer will be 7. So option C is correct here. Okay, I hope you understood clearly. Thank you.